An after-party night out turned tragic when a rashly driven multi-utility vehicle took 6 young lives in Dehradun. 6 youngsters were killed and 1 was left critically injured in a fatal car accident at ONGC Chowk in Dehradun early hours of Tuesday. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. The accident occurred on Tuesday, but today a viral video shows that the group was allegedly returning from a party. In the video, one can see the group enjoying the party, after which their speeding multi-utility vehicle rammed into the rear of a container truck, reducing the car into a mangled heap. Have a look at this viral video. According to reports, the accident occurred at around 1:30 am when the Innova, reportedly traveling at over 100 km/h, collided with the truck's rear left side, a known blind spot on large vehicles. According to the police reports, the impact was so severe that the car's roof was torn off, leading to the decapitation of 2 passengers. All 6 victims, aged between 19 and 24, were killed instantly. Meanwhile, the deceased include Guneet Kumari, 19 years old, Kamakshi, 20 years old, and Navya Goel, 23 years old, all residents of Dehradun, and Kunal Kukrecha, 23-year-old, from Himachal Pradesh. Atul Agarwal, 24 years old, who was driving the car, and lastly, Rishabh Jain, 24 years old, also from Dehradun, were among the fatalities. The sole survivor, 25-year-old Siddhesh Agarwal, remains hospitalized in a very critical condition. The CCTV footage revealed that the vehicle was traveling at a moderate speed through Rajpur Road, Saharanpur Chowk, Baliwala and Ballupur checkpoints, but it abruptly accelerated sharply near the ONGC Chowk. Reports further suggest that the group of friends were racing with a BMW when Atul attempted to overtake it and allegedly accelerated the vehicle up to over 100 km/h. But as he tried to pass, the car collided with a dumper truck. Have a look at the aftermath of the accident. According to the Times of India, eyewitnesses, including a local restaurant owner, reported that the car was coming at a very high speed. I managed to steer away just in time to avoid a head collision. Concerned, I approached the police station near the barricade near Masuri diversion and urged them to stop the vehicle, but they did not react. Now let's try to understand the sequence of the events. The MUV was recently purchased by Atul's father, Sunil Agarwal, and had been taken out to celebrate with the friends. The group was returning from a party hosted by Siddhesh at his residence in Jharkhand. Reports suggest that the luxury car overtook a MUV, prompting Atul to accelerate in an attempt to keep up. Tragically, he misjudged the timing at the intersection, leading to the collision with the truck. According to the circle officer Neeraj Senwal, the truck driver was not at fault. The MUV struck the stationary truck from behind, ruling out negligence on the truck's part. Inspector K.C. Bhatt stated that no charges could be filed against Atul, who was driving the car. He further stated that 6 victims, 3 men and 3 women, all below the age of 25, died instantly. The sole survivor, 24-year-old Siddhesh Agarwal, is in critical condition and receiving medical treatment at Synergy Medical Hospital. Meanwhile, the accident has sparked widespread outrage, with the citizens demanding stricter enforcement of road safety laws. According to the Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways report, 4,61,312 road accidents occurred in India during 2022, with approximately 70% involving individuals aged 18 to 45 years. Notably, 10,080 of these accidents were attributed to drunk driving, leading to 4,201 deaths and 8,809 injuries. Now, this tragic incident serves as a grim reminder of the consequences of reckless driving, drunk driving and impaired judgment, particularly among the young drivers. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.